welcome to my channel Talkative Lavanya, and today I have got 10 new smart phrases for you to speak in your daily life conversation. So friends, let's begin. So friends, our first one is break the ice. Its meaning is that chupi todna. I will clear your doubts with an example. Okay? उसने चुप्पी तोड़ दी. We will say he broke the ice, not he break the ice. There will be some changes. Okay? Because for past we will use broke, not break. So friends, our next one is Oakley or Musal. So these are just your kitchen items, and if you don't even know their English, then whose English then you know? So you must know their English. So in English we will call them mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle. Oakley or Musal. Okay? So friends, our next one is Nakun Marna. So in English we will call it clap a cloth. Okay? उसने मुझे नाखून मार दिया. He clap a clawed me. He clap a clawed me. Okay? Understand? So friends, our next one is way something. I don't hope that you have nightmares. You understood what we say in English? To बुरे सपने we say nightmares. Okay? Let's see through an example. मुझे अक्सर ऐसे बुरे सपने आते हैं. I often get nightmares. I often get nightmares. Okay? Friends, our next one is fickle. Do you know fickle's meaning? Its meaning in Hindi is man badlu. Okay? So you will not understand without an example. So let's understand with an example. I am really fickle because sometimes I change my goal, and sometimes want to be that, and sometimes doctor, sometimes engineer. I don't know exactly what I will be, but I am fickle. मन बदलू. Okay? मैं मन बदलू हूँ. I am fickle. Okay? So friends, our next one is don't beat around the bush. It is quite funny, but its meaning in Hindi is बातों को घुमा फिरा के बात करो. So we will see through an example. When I am studying, my brother often says, you must have grown tired. I will keep your school bag there, over there. I will help you with that, with that. He never tells his real meaning. His real meaning is that he wants to play with. But he beats around the bush. So I can say, don't beat around the bush. बातों को घुमा फिरा के मत करो. Okay? So friends, our next one is hold your horses. So hold your horses meaning is not that अपने घोड़े पकड़ो. Its meaning is that सब करो. You will not understand. You will understand only with an example. So let's see through an example. One day my mom was cooking something delicious, and we couldn't wait. We smelled the aroma of it, the beautiful aroma of it, and we grabbed our plates and sat down and waited when we will get that delicious food. And when that is cooked, you must have noticed that it's really hot, but we go and start to grab the food. My mom said, hold your horses. Sabko hold your horses or else you will get burned. Sabko wanda to jal jao. Okay? So friends, our next one is don't put on airs. Its meaning is not that your mom is saying put this cream somewhere and you cannot put it on airs. Okay? This means that ज़्यादा हवा में मत उड़ो. Let's see through an example. One day I was jumping that you were subscribing my channel a lot and I was happy. Then my mother said, why are you so happy? Then I said, my subscribers are increasing a lot. So I am really happy. Then my mother said, for that you will need 1000 subscribers. So don't put on airs, stay grounded. This stay grounded is not attached to don't put on airs. It is this separate. She can also say stay grounded or she can also say don't put on airs. They both meaning are same. Understand? So friends, our next one is I am broke. Meaning not that मैं टूट गई. It's meaning that मेरे पास बिल्कुल भी पैसे नहीं. My mom used this word in her daily life conversation. Whenever we ask money, we ask for money to get something delicious to eat. She said, I am broke. She said, मेरे पास बिल्कुल भी पैसे नहीं है. So she makes an excuse. From now on, you can also make this excuse because you have learned this English. And so our next one is come what may. It's meaning that चाहे जो हो जाए. One day I was ill. I'm giving you the example. One day I was ill and it was my exam day. Mom said, you take rest and go to complete the exam. I said, come what may, I will complete the exam. चाहे जो हो जाए, मैं exam करके रहूँगी. Okay? So friends, I hope you loved this video, and if you did love this video, please give this video a like, subscribe and share also. And don't forget to comment in the comment section and also press the bell icon, then you will get all the notifications on time. And friends, I want to tell you some more things that are very important for you. I have got a knowledge thing that I could not say in this video, and so I decided to say it now. So please listen to it carefully and watch the video till it ends. It's not ended yet. I will give you one more knowledge. Okay? So I will give you the knowledge of different types of caps. Okay? You have seen a cat with a pom-pom, right? A cat with a pom-pom on the top. It's a huge pom-pom. So, do you know what we call it in English? We call it bubble cap. Bobble cap, not bubble cap. We call it bobble cap. Okay? And you used to wear like you see Santa Claus wear, right? So that is called with not a point. It's like this. So that is called a beanie. And you must have seen children in the market wearing big pom-poms here and a hairband here. You have seen them. They are called earmuffs. Earmuffs. Muffs, not muffs. Okay? And a cap which you wear in a jacket, right? I also wear that cap. So it's called a hoodie. Hoodie. Okay? So friends, that was the important information I was about to give you, and I hope you love this important information because there are a lot of cats, and I need to tell you what are they called in English, so I could not insert them in my video, because in my video I only told one certain, and these cats are a lot of. So I decided to give this information in the last of this video. So please keep me loving like this, and if you keep loving me like this and increase my subscribers, I get motivated to make a lot of new videos for you, and you get information about new things. So I have a lot of hard work for this, done a lot of hard work for this, so please don't let my hard work waste. Like, subscribe, share. Bye bye. See you in the next